Hey everyone, this is Monique Macklin over at The Credit Lady, and I wanted to come to you with some great news. I finally got my numbers in for November when it comes to our funding, and it appears that we have done over $4.2 million in business funding alone. So we had a very good month. We surpassed our goal, which was $4 million. And we did an excellent job helping our clients to move forward with scaling and growing their businesses. So even if you are someone whose credit is not where it needs to be, then you can get your credit where it needs to be so that you can be one of our clients who is averaging anywhere from $100,000 to $350,000 in corporate funding. When you have corporate funding, it basically will protect your personal credit. Yes, banks do have the option of looking at your personal credit when it comes to approving you for business funding. So we always want to make sure things are in alignment prior to moving you forward for funding. But if you want to learn more on how you can begin your application process and start getting the money you need to start, grow, and scale your business, simply go to creditladyfunding.com. Again, creditladyfunding.com. Again, we had a great month in November. December may be a little slow because most people are focused on Christmas, but just know we are still looking to do at least $2.5 to $3 million in corporate funding this month as well. So if you want to be a part of that number, go to creditladyfunding.com today so that you can put yourself in the running for being one of our next success stories. Look forward to speaking with you soon.